This is Arctic charging. Son's 5-year-old Arctic got to form when he was 1. Lawnmower battery is under there. Wires run up here. Got new splitters on the way, so it's better. Hook up directly to that. And charging battery. iPhone 5. Samsung Tab 3. All at once. Forgot to bring another cord, but modified it. Now when you go camping, you can sit there, bring it, get the right hardware. You need an inverter. This is a 400 watt inverter. You need this type of clamp. I'm not sure what type of clamp it is, but that's what you need. And you need a clamp from that to that, which I did order, so I don't have to ghetto rig it with those. All for camping. And makes the battery last longer, and you ain't gotta spend $60 on a new Power Wheels battery. That only lasts for 3 hours. Look at my other videos of this bad boy going through some Arizona rock. And that's it.